So our first dish for the day is some juicy baked mushrooms. Very simple to make with just 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients. Now, what do I have here for you? This is some nice button mushrooms. I have some grated mozzarella cheese, a dollop of butter, chopped onion, and this is salt. I'm using the rock salt in here, and some fresh crushed pepper. Alright, so first we have to remove the stem out of these button mushrooms. Just remove it carefully here. We don't want the mushroom to break. We only need the stem out of it. Alright, now I'm going to put all these mushrooms right inside the same box. And this is the stem that I have. I'm going to chop it, first slice, hold it together, twist it, second slice, hold it. Alright, here I have the roughly chopped mushroom stem with me on the gas stove. Go. What I'm doing, I'm going to put some oil, cooking oil, is what I'm using. Some oil. Pan to heat up. Just like going over the butter in there. There. The butter is ready. And it's a lot of butter. Add 1 chopped onion. And in goes mushroom. Now this dish does not take much long, max to max 6 minutes. And mushrooms are so rich in vitamin D. It's good to include them in diet. I'm adding a little bit of salt. Again, I'm using a bit of salt. And I'm going to throw in some freshly crushed pepper. I prefer them crusting it myself with nice aroma. That's it. Our filling is getting ready. Alright, while the filling is getting cooked, now the rest of the mushroom, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Here you go. Mix it generously. And here is a tray which I'm going to use to bake the mushrooms. And I'm going to arrange it right on this stir. I can smell the butter, the pepper. So good. Alright, that's it. Looks like it's done. Now I'm going to scoop that inside the mushrooms. Just like this. Now don't worry if they fall out. Mushrooms with the filling that I just made. Now I have this grated mozzarella cheese. Just generously put it there on each of the mushroom, because this is going to melt on the mushroom, and you have to bake it till you get the golden, the light golden color on them. Such an easy starter, right? There you go. So our dish is ready, and I have to pop this inside the oven like for 10 minutes, and then we're good to go. Alright, see you soon.